Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will show you how to log printing and editing in PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file and go to Tools menu, Protect and go to Toolbar. Click the encrypt. Choose the encrypt with password. Yes. Check mark the restic editing and printing of the document. Printing allowed none. Change allowed none. Set the permission password and click OK. Set the password again and save the document. Close the file. Open the file again and just try the edit this document. If you go edit this document, password window will be open automatically. Just you can view this document. Go to file, print option is disabled. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.